Let's look at how you can report on your field usage. Vernon CMS has a tool called Field Usage Count, which you can use to find records that are missing data in fields, to identify fields that are unused, and find fields that are used in only a few records, which might mean that type of data is usually entered in a different field in your system. You can go to the Tools menu, Utilities, Field Usage Count. The Field Usage Count tool will generate a report that tells you the total number of records in the file, the total number of fields in a file, which fields are being used, which fields are not being used, the number of records using each field, and the internal field name of each field. You enter the file that you're interested in, such as the object file. The tool immediately tells you how many records are in the file. You can restrict the report to a specific list, and you can choose to report on unused fields. You can choose the output of an on-screen report, sending it to the printer, or viewing it in a table. Here we can see the field name, the internal field name, and the usage count for each field. In the table format, you can order the report by clicking on the column header. You can also copy it to Excel for further analysis and notation by clicking the Edit menu and then Copy Table to Excel. Some fields are automatically updated by the system, such as the user that updated a record and the date, and so those are present on every record. Some fields, such as procedural status, are mandatory and therefore are present on every record. And in this example, we can see that some records are missing data in the object type field and in the brief description field, as well as others. Some questions that you can consider when you're reviewing a field usage count report. Are there required fields that have not been completed for all records? Are there any unused fields that you could repurpose by changing the field name? For the person file, do all records have a person type or corporate type specified? For the photo audio visual file, do the total usage counts for the non-digital reference field and the digital file name field add up to the total number of records? For activity files, do the number of items field and the item description field have the same usage count? In the inward loan and outward loan files, do the start date and end date fields have the same usage count?